again, ladies and gentlemen, please make sure your seats are in the full upright and locked position. Tray tables are stowed and seatbelts are securely fastened at this time. All that is water. What a trip. First thing I do is try to trip out of the airplane. Gravity here is way different. Time to check out the water closet. Looks pretty normal. All right. One of the biggest things that we kept getting told when we came here was go to the duty free and stock up on booze before we left the airport. So it turns out it is at baggage claim. It's huge. We got 1 case of beer, 1 bottle of wine, a little bottle of booze, some M&Ms and some Star Mix because of Jenny. And we were able to fit them all in our baggage. So pretty cool, duty free. We just got our cuckoo camper, and ours has a bunny and a turtle on the side of it. I was really hoping for the chicken one, but yeah, it's a lot bigger than Roy thought. So I think it will suit us well. First experience at the grocery store, 30 bucks. We got stuff for PB&J's. We got a bunch of snacky snacks. Got me coffee. Thankfully. All right. So now that we've had lunch, we are going to head to where the Litli Hrutur eruption was, even though it capped off on August 5th.
Yeah.
So
Back me out.
Oh, okay. Burn rubber! Alright, let's go see a dead volcano.
Sounds good.
Or sleeping one, at least. Careful, Popple.
Yeah, there's one right there, too.
Oh, man. You can smell it like crazy.
Yep.
Oh. So stinky. Here we go. So it's 9.5 kilometers. So I'm assuming just under 6 miles. Oh my God. Yeah, it's apparently a 3-mile hike one way, and we ate a bunch of cookies. Hey! At least Roy has long legs. My short little legs are gonna have to work. Oh boy.
We're on the flat.
So I don't know if you guys can see, but all the way up here, little tiny people. Apparently that's where we're going. Ugh. I didn't realize it was a 3-mile hike uphill. But I suppose the elevation has changed since, it erupted. Has gotten a little bit higher. We've only got a quarter of a mile. All right, is it worth it?
Pardon?
Is it worth it?
Yes.
All right, that's what I needed.
Yes.
We only do one hike this entire time.
It's not going to be only one hike.
But if we only do one, did I see a bug? Nope, I'm already seeing stars, I think. Uh-oh. Uh-oh.
No, I'm just telling you.
Did you? They lied to us. You heard it first from us. There are bugs in Iceland.
Don't look back. It's just disappointing.
We've gone so far though.
Roy, what kicked off your getting in shape? Iceland.
A volcano.
We made the first leg of the hill. Now we just have 3 more.
There are mosquitoes.
Yeah.
Oh, I've been lied to. I have been had. filthy budsies. You're human precious. Look at that! Wow! Magma! It's not magma anymore. Lava! Look at that!
There's that breeze.
Freaking cool! This is brand new Earth.
Fish.
You're some of the first people to see it. I climb all those hills just to see it. How cool.
Straight across?
No.
No.
Yeah.
Straight across.
Oh, I see him over here. I'm not going that far.
No, that was the other one.
Yeah. All right. Up.
2 more.
2? Good grief. I don't think I'll survive much more.
Be like halfway up.
Oh, for reals. Oh, God. Oh, no. Oh, no. I'm gonna end up sleeping here. Oh, my heart. Oh. Oh, God. I love it. I love it so much. Woo. So cool. It's worth it. Worth all the huffing and puffing and crazy air. So, wow, 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 wow. Look, wow. There it is. Why did you have to stop? Ooh, I bet this is one of the volcanic monitoring stations. He just looks like a bundt cake. Whoa. How hellacious.
Yeah, this actually goes around. Oh, it goes around to the volcano.
Oh, that's it? Oh, I thought it was this.
That makes better sense.
Yeah, that does make better sense, huh? Well, pretty dang cool. The lava fields are from the little one. And there were all these little steam pots of like sulfur. I'm calling them steam pots. I don't know what they were. I bet it was just sulfur just spewing out. It's just wild how much lava came out of that tiny little volcano. Yeah. We're gonna head back to the camper van. We're gonna go to our little spot that we had a nap at earlier. Make dinner, have a beer, go to our campsite after our 2-mile hike back to the camper van. Okay. But silver lining, it's downhill. Look at that one over there that looks like Jabba the Hutt. I don't know how Jabba the Hutt talks. It's just as hard coming down. I'ma lose a toenail. I can feel it hurting. One tree?
No tree.
Whew. It's a sight for sore eyes. All right. Well, we found our campsite for the night with our little camper van. Now, we were working on making dinner. We were just going to give up and just go eat fish and chips, but we decided we brought them, we better eat them. And this is our chef for the night. It's a well-earned beer.
The beer is so good, I wish I would have brought some home.
I wouldn't go that far, Sarah. It's kind of sweet, but whatever.
It's not bad for homeless beer.
You know what? It's better than no beer. Been together
because I smelled it.
12 years now. And every day's a more of the same. Just stop.
I could do it. I'd push you down the hill.
Would you?
No.
It wasn't even the tune.
No, you don't have to worry about hiking down anymore.
Whew. That's a deep cup holder. No! One last game of crib. Before we go to bed. It is only, it's almost 8 p.m. Tired. It was a long day. I'm at 19,361 steps, which is, for my short little legs, according to Garmin, the equivalent of 8.2 miles. It was a lot. It was a long day. So tomorrow, head out by 8:30.
Somewhere there.
We're gonna go snorkel Silphra, the tectonic plate fisher. I'm really excited about that. I'm a little bit nervous though. It's gonna be cold.
Yep.
Really, really cold. Night.